Dutchess County truly blew me away. You just walk through this place and you feel like it's just magical. The weather's incredible, the trees are turning, there's the crunch of the leaves between your wheels and your feet. It really is picturesque here. Hi, my name is Kelsey I am from Chicago, Illinois. I'm part of a traveling duo called the Inclusive Traveler, and we're here in Dutchess County exploring all the accessibility activities and places to stay. We're so excited to be here.
Hi, my name is Jenny Burke. I am originally from Michigan, but I live in Chicago. I've been there for about 10 years now.
Jenny and I would say she's kind of the yin to my yang. We have a lot of opposite likes and dislikes, but I think that's what makes us so great.
I think we're just both really goofy and balance each other out. That if I'm all in the sky, I like to say a balloon or string. If I'm a balloon with all the fun, big ideas, Kelsey's the string that pulls me back down to earth. So I think that's a good combo.
Traveling with disability can come with a lot of challenges, but Jenny has a lighthearted spirit about her and a can-do attitude, and I think that that's really huge when you're stepping outside of your comfort zone and faced with some challenges, is to kind of look at those challenges with a positive light and get through them together. And it's always easier just having someone to laugh about those challenges with rather than, you know, sit there and be down about it.
Dutchess County is the heart of the Hudson Valley. I strongly believe that because there's so much to learn and there's so much to experience, and you're gonna have a really great time.
There was not a single accessible door that wasn't working. Anytime I pushed a button, it opened right up, and that's just really tells you the heart of this place. They are welcoming and opening their doors to you with open arms.
Every single person we've interacted with just is having a really good time. Like, they're just really enjoying themselves, and they're so proud of where they live that just adds that extra energy that makes this place so special.
From farm to table, cow to cone, the ice cream, the delicious meals, you can't go wrong. Anything you order in the Hudson Valley and Dutchess County will blow you away.